Hey everyone, it's Miss Williams. I am here on Clever to show you all how to access Destiny Discover. So, we all know how to get to our Clever page. You see your favorite resources at the top, your teacher's page, the Clever rostered websites, but if you keep scrolling down to the very bottom, you will see student or teacher websites, and you will see a little tree icon. This is Follett Destiny. Now, if we're going to be reading a lot of ebooks this month, I'm going to go ahead and make things a little easier by clicking this heart icon to favorite Destiny, and it will show up at the top of my Clever page. Let's log in together. Once I click that little tree, I'll get this screen here and we'll need to log into Destiny. So click login in the upper right hand corner. And your username is going to be just your lunch number. And your password is going to be your birthday, just like you use for your laptop. Now, once you have both your username and password entered, you'll click login. Then, once you've logged in successfully, you will see Destiny Discover. And this is what it'll look like. Your name will be in this upper right hand corner. You'll see my announcements and other learning resources. So to find ebooks, the easiest way would be to scroll down till you see this ribbon here, eBooks, and click See All. I just want to show a couple things. The difference between some of these books, all of these are available to read. All of these books will count as a point. And this book here, let's just say I wanted to read A Wonderful Year. I would click the title. And you'll notice like all of the books have a color square in the upper left corner. Now this one is green. This means that this book is available, but there's a limited number of copies. There's only one of one available. So for me to make sure that nobody else can take my book and I can read this one from start to finish, I'm going to check it out. That saves the book for me. That means that it is checked out to me. And look, there's no more available. There is 0 for other students. So it is really important that if you want to read a book and there's a green box, there's only a couple of books available, that you check it out, right? So now I can open the book and flip through, look to see if it's something I like. I can look at the pictures. And then, you know what? I have to do something else. So I will close the book and go back out. So let's just say I had to close my book and I had to go work on something else for a while. When I want to come back to read, I'm going to go to my stuff and my checkout. And this right here is going to show me everything that I have out in the library, physical and virtual. And so if I want to keep reading A Wonderful Year, I just click on the cover and it'll open my book up right where I left off, as if I had a bookmark there. So this was the last page I was on. Now I can keep reading. When I am done with my book, I can close it. I can go back to my home tab. And again, I will scroll down to the eBooks ribbon, see all, and keep looking for other books to read. Now, if I want to find maybe my Just Right book by AR level, we can do that too. With these 3 lines and an arrow, this is your sort and filter. So if I scroll down to Accelerated Reader, I can enter my AR number. my Atos range, right? This could be maybe a 2 if I'm in that purple IJKL. So I would input a 2 to 2, and that would limit, once I click done, my AR range, and these would be showing me books that are only AR testable in that 2.0 to 2.9 IJKL range. You can see that there is 296 books in that IJKL range with AR tests as well. So from here, if I were looking, oh, this Raven, A Trickster Tale looks really good. But let's just see. I want to read a dog book, this bulldog book. Now, this little blue ribbon or this little blue square up here is really special. It has an infinity sign. That means that this book has an unlimited amount of copies. That means everybody in the whole school can be reading it at the same time. There is always going to be a book for you. So these blue squares are really cool. Now, if I wanted to check this book out because I'm done with my other one, I would click check out. But if you ever get this red line down here saying you have the maximum number of titles checked out, that means you haven't returned your other books that you were reading first. So during this reading competition and during the school year, you will only be allowed to read one ebook at a time because some of them are only 1 copy per title. If I want this book and I want to return the book that I'm done with, I need to go back to my stuff, to my checkouts, and I need to find that ebook that I was reading. So I am done with A Wonderful Year. I need to return it. I will click those 3 dots, return. Now my title is returned and I am free to go find a new ebook for points. Right? So we'll see all books. We'll go here and we will click Accelerated Reader. I'm going to look in the 2s, click Done, and View. Now it's showing me AR 2s. What about Goldilocks and the 3 Vampires? So this is a graphic novel. It'll tell you a little bit about it, and it is an AR 2.9, so closer to an L level. And now that my other book is returned, I can check this one out. See? Green. So that is mostly what you need to know for checking books in and out, finding them. If there are any other questions you have, ask your teachers, and you are welcome to come into the library at morning recess and ask me any questions you have as well. I'd be happy to help you out. The other platform that you can read your ebooks on is going to be this little gold circle right here. This is the Junior Library Guild digital bookshelf. So once you click on that gold circle, you will be brought to a Junior Library Guild's digital bookshelf. Now, this is a platform, this is a place that you can read books for points as well, but what you see here is all that there is, okay? Some of the books might change, but for the most part, they're going to be the same this month. And you can see if they have an AR test, it has a blue triangle. And they are all different levels. So some of them are going to be a little easier. Some of them might be a little difficult. It's just up to you to open them up and see if it is a book that you would like to read. So however, this one I don't believe will hold your place for you. but they are really, really nice books as well. All right, my friends, I hope this has answered a lot of general questions for you. Like I said, feel free to come see me in the library if you have any more questions for me. Other than that, good luck and good reading. Bye.